Hello, welcome back. So we got a hold of a 2-burner stove that fits on the hole we have for the stove that got stolen. The other one have an oven. I have 4 burners, but we don't need that. We need 2 burners. You know, nobody need a stove. We're not gonna make cakes or cupcakes or I don't know what you make with bread. So I'm working on it right now, and this is the spot where the stove got stolen, and they cut the hose. So I am putting one of these. I don't know how this is called, but it's to put together 2 lines. I'm gonna put the other line here to the stove and see if it works. Right, we have the stove over here. It's a little 2 burners. And Tom is taking care of the fridge. So after a big battle and a lot of work, I got it done. Look. It doesn't move much, but it turns on. Press the button, press this button, and we got power. So I'm really happy I put this piece of wood there to hook this up because it was not as long as the space, but there it is. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, there it is. Who needs an oven? Nobody needs that shit. Here you cook, then you eat. So, we have this right here. This right here is the forestay, which I need to get it out there before it bends. So I have to take that off. Working on that.
He did it already?
No.
So Ace is working on the mast today. Up there, Scott, the amazing surfer dude from California. Hey Scott, what's up? They're taking down the forestay that's holding down the foils of the head sail roller fuller, the one that was destroyed by a fishing boat hitting us during Hurricane Maria. Here comes Ace. What does he have to say? Let's get an update.
Explain what he's doing, baby. Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we got Scott of the mast. We're gonna bring the forestay down. We need to replace or change this.
We got Doug over here helping.
So that was our good friend Doug, and him and his wife live on the boat across the way. And their boat is called Melinda K, and he has been a huge help to us. Whenever Ace has an issue or has a question, Doug is just full of boat knowledge. He's retired and has been living on his boat for probably about 5 years now or plus. And he's really been so helpful to us. That's our friend Scott up there.
Dogs, do you know?
So that bar right there is bent, and this is what they're working on today to get that down from the mast. And Scott has been a huge help. Thank you, Scott. We're so appreciative. So it's a little bit windy up there today. I hope he's doing okay.
Thank you, Scott. I appreciate that so much, man.
Yeah, anytime.
Scott, how did it feel going up there?
It was a little wobbly today. A lot of jet skis in the water making waves, but it was fine.
It was fine.
Yeah, it was good.
Thank
Everything
you.
looks good up there, man.
You look good up there, man.
Oh, I'll bet.
Yeah, yes, sir. Some girl was like, "Oh, that's the guy from the bike." Yeah, he's the guy from the bike. He's up there.
Right. Yeah.
You're known already.
I'm a pro at this now.
I appreciate that, brother.
You got it anytime.
Thank you.
Another day on the boat. It's Monday, it's President's Day, and Ace has been really working hard. Have you been working hard, baby? What are you doing today? Shaking something out of that bar? I don't understand it. What are you doing, baby?
I have to take off this aluminum. Wait, what's that can that I have here with the oil can?
You gotta appreciate some hard men working. Our men hard working.
So they're trying to get something out from that bar that they pulled down from the mast. And they're working really hard to get it out.
So what's up? What's up, Tammy?
You did good, baby.
What I did good?
Such a turn on, man.
What?
So,
What
do you
is
think
it?
tonight, me and you?
What?
You know.
Oh my God.
Anyway.
So it's time for beer!
Babe, what about this?
Save it. Boqueron.
Boqueron,
Cabrón, Puerto Rico.
With some good friends.
Now with
Oh,
the
yeah.
GoPro with your camera.
What do you want, mi amor?
One picture.
Here we
Okay.
are. Here, let me have that puppy.
Okay, you
Okay.
do that.
And there's Ace. I don't know if you people know him, but I guess he's been on a couple TV series. A celebrity. So I'm going to take a picture of him while he's taking a picture of his woman, which is
There you go, guys.
right there. Peace, baby. And there he is, Mr. Ace.
We are here on the flag pier. We're gonna take a picture.
Broccoli.
And I'm with Tammy. I'm Russ. What's up?
Enjoying life.
Yeah.
On vacation again.
California living.
Every day's a vacation.
Every day.
You poor people.
Oh.
All my friends are poor people. All mine.
Cuestiones
All
with Russ.
mine. This is just the beginning.
It's the beginning. Toys, dream catchers, all kind of stuff at the little stores. They got empanadillas here. They got some more stuff over here, really nice stuff. We are in Boqueron, Puerto Rico. Russ. Look at Ross though, he got no toenail. Okay,
So he can swim faster.
okay, so tell us what happened, Ross.
I got tired of ingrown toenails, so I took it out 30 years ago.
God.
What? Had them surgically removed. I wish I'd have done them all, so I don't have to bend over and trim them. So he can swim faster.
Oh my God.
So you can swim faster.
I got lazy. I want them all off.
No, it's a thing. Like my grandma had it done. You surgically have it like removed.
Yeah, I did that probably 30 years ago.
So what did they open your toe to get
No,
the...
they just cut the, like on your fingernail here,
Uh-huh.
down
They
way
don't
down
never
there,
grow
there's your
back.
growth. And they just take that out so they
They'll
don't
never
grow
grow back.
Will never grow back.
So you got
Toeless toenails.
no.
Yeah.
Say that 3 times.
Tell us toenail, tell us toenail, tell us toenail, tell us
What'd you
toenail.
say? You sound like you're from Puerto Rico, man.
Tell us toenail, tell us toenail. Come on. Tell us toenail, tell us toenail.
Peace, baby. Woo!
Peace, baby.
Amazing sunset in Puerto Rico. Beautiful. Hi guys. So it's a hard day. We worked really hard today, and so much work to do. There's so much other things we need to get done, and it's depressing to know that it's so complicated to get things done on a boat, so expensive, and nobody's available, you know, to do the work you need professionally done. Anyways, Tammy cooked for the first time in a year and a half on the boat. We installed a new 2-burner stove, and she made some rice and sausages, which looks delicious. And we're gonna have a beer or water, Nikini water with rice and sausages. And it's a beautiful night. It's not windy anymore, so it's good. All right, mangiamo.